My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
I'm 35 years old and I'm in a Barbie onesie. Where has my life gone? How did I get here? I mean, I even put on my Barbie chain. Like, yeah. This is not how I planned my life out. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a look that is super gorgeous but so easy. I did this at work the other night. I was just playing around with a new product I got and it came out so gorgeous. So this look is kind of going to be centered around this one product. So yeah, let's get into it. We're going to have to wait and see what the product is. So we're just going to do plain like a brown smoky in the crease. So I'm going to start out with an E27. And I'm going to go in with my NORVINA Volume 4 palette and C1. It's kind of like a mustardy brown. And I do have my eyes primed with some Makeup Forever concealer. And I'm just going to push this brush into my corner and then follow along my natural crease. And kind of look down so I have as much lid space showing. Actually darker than I remember. It still looks really pretty. I don't know. I remember it being a lighter color. Let's take that brush and go in circles. Okay, now I'm going to be trying to use a lot of the products I got from either my Ipsy or my BoxyCharm as well. So this Morphe brush I got in a little kit from my BoxyCharm. It doesn't have a number or anything. And I'm going to go in with B3. This darker brown. And we're going to put this it's going to be a lot tighter in the crease because this is a very precise brush. And I'm also going to put that on the outer, like, third of the eye. And then go back in with the E27. I am doing this look entirely for you guys. I just got done working my third night in a row, so I'm gonna be doing this makeup and then literally taking it off and going to sleep. So I don't know why I'm even trying to be so precise here. I mean, I don't want it to look ugly, but I'm acting like I'm going out to the club or something. This is a little bit more than the look I did for work. Alright, so now I'm going to take this TRESTIQUE highlighter stick in Maldives Luminescent, and I got this in my BoxyCharm. And I'm going to put that on my lid. As best as you can. And now for the star of the show. Are you ready? Oh. This Jouer All Over Face and Body Highlighter in Molten Glow. Now, I'm usually not that impressed with their products, but I saw this highlighter on Sephora and it just looked so gorgeous. So I bought it, and it is to die for, literally. And it is so buttery. I don't even know if that's gonna do it justice, but it just looks so pretty on the lid. so I'm gonna take my flat synthetic brush and put this all over the lid. I mean, just look at how gorgeous that is. So gorgeous. Alright, now I'm going to take a pencil brush and go in with D5, which is this like darker kind of mahogany brown. And put that in the outer corner. Blend it out with that small crease brush. You guys know what time it is? It's Fix Plus time. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with this Avon True Glimmer Stick Diamond eyeliner in 24 karat, and it is a gold. And I'm gonna go in with B3, that second color we used.
Talk back to you. Say it like that.
And blend that out. To highlight the brow bone, I'm just going to go in with my Too Faced Natural Eyes and use Heaven, which is this matte like beige. So I just did my brows with the brow pencil that I got from BoxyCharm, and I actually really like it. It's a little bit darker than I'm used to wearing, but I really like it. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this like little lash kit. It's liner and then the lashes attach. They don't last very long, but like I said, I'm literally going to be taking this off and going to sleep, so I don't want to use lash glue. I'm also going to line my upper waterline with a dark brown pencil. Okay, so while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to try this WHISH Botanical Primer that I got from my Ipsy. It's supposed to be like pore filling and hydrating at the same time. So let's see if that's true or not. Or nah. It's definitely very hydrating. Let's see if it will actually... No! Get rid of pores. Or blur pores, you can get rid of them. Kind of a weird smell, but it's not very strong. That's nice. It's very lightweight but moisturizing at the same time. Okay, I'm going to start with this Sephora Make No Mistake Foundation and Concealer Stick in Birch. And I just kind of draw a few stripes here and there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury AIRBRUSH Flawless Foundation on the back of my hand. This is in 2 Neutral. And just dot that randomly as well. And then I'm going to blend it out with my Tarte buffing brush. This is an awesome brush. I've been thinking about doing a, like, my ride or die face brushes video. I've done an eye brush one. That was a while back though. I'm sure some of my brushes may have changed. But anyways, if you would be interested in seeing a you know, all-time favorite ride or die face brushes video, let me know in the comments below of how that rhymes. I always have to keep like my lips moisturized when I'm doing my makeup, and I could never like wear foundation on my lips under lipstick like some people do. Let me know if you're someone who always has to have like some sort of moisturizing stuff on your lips. Oh, I swear, I always get like a hair right there. And then I scratch it and ruin up my makeup. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with, this is my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-hour concealer. So this is new, and I got it, my voice just cracked. Am I going through puberty? I got it in 2.1. It says high coverage. It is high coverage. So I'm just going to use a tiny bit. Well, not really a tiny bit, but not as much as I usually do. I'll say that. I'm going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Also, I got a few things from Sephora. I built my own cheek palette with Makeup Forever blushes, and oh, I got a Hourglass Ambient, it's a mini, it's really mini, incandescent strobe light, but like it is so much smaller than I was expecting, because you know how some of their minis, like they're a decent size, but this is so tiny. Like look at that. I should have just gone for the full size, man. Okay. Oh man, I left my Too Faced powder upstairs. I wanted to use it since I just got it from BoxyCharm, but I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Easy Bake setting powder in Cupcake. I think I'm going to use my Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light. Ooh, that's dirty. The same highlighter that we used on our eyes, but I want to try this Hourglass powder real quick and see if it will show up as a highlight or if I will have to use it for like a buffing powder. That could be used as a highlighter. It's not like the most intense, but it's really pretty. Yeah, I like that, actually. But I'm gonna go back in with Molten Glow. Because this bitch is gorgeous. Now for blush, I think I want to try one of the Makeup Forever blushes. So this is the little kit that I made. Ooh. So I could use either the light pink or the orange. I'm going to go with the light pink just because of what I think I'm going to wear. Otherwise I was going to go with the orange. That's pretty. So to buff, I think I'm gonna use that Hourglass powder. Ooh, so pretty. For setting spray, I'm going to use this CIATE Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Before I put some mascara on, I want to make sure these lashes are going to stick and that I don't need to put more eyeliner on first. Oh, okay, they're sticking. You know what? Fuck it. I'm not gonna put mascara on. I already have some on actually from working, so I'm not gonna add any more. Okay, what do I want to do for a lip? You know what? I think I'm gonna go in with SUGARCANE, this Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Crayon. I like these, well, I like them for a lot of reasons, but one reason is you can kind of line your lips with it and then fill it in. Okay then, we're going to say that this is the completed look. This is a really nice, like, kind of just feminine glam. That's what I'm going to call it. And you could literally wear this anywhere, even to bed, which is where I'm headed. Alright guys, I love you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye.